Today, we're gonna show you how to add audio. If you're brand new and you just found us, make sure you go to the homepage and find the playlist for all the videos on how to get started with Filmora. We're gonna go ahead and add a sound effect to this Filmora logo as it hits the surface of this template. We're gonna go up to our media files, we're gonna drag it down to the viewer. We're gonna use the red cursor to cull the timeline to the exact spot that the logo stops. Take a look at our audio file. We wanna time this thing up to be at the peak of the audio. That's where the loudest sound is gonna be. Perfect. This line right here is the indicator for the volume of this specific file. Set that wherever you'd like. Also, we want to add background music to add to the overall TikTok. Pull the media file down to the viewer at the very bottom. When working with background audio, you never want it to oversaturate the audio space. You can use the indicated line that we discussed earlier to adjust the audio, or you can double click it for more options. I like to use the auto normalization feature. It'll take the highs and the lows and put it on an equal plane. Be sure to check the playback to make sure you're okay with the adjusted levels. I still like to lower the volume to about -5 decibels because it is background music. Next, we're going to show you how to create a gradual adjustment in your audio file over time. Click the audio file that you would like to work with, go all the way up to adjustments. The first diode that you put onto your timeline is going to be your beginning. The second diode you put on your timeline is going to be the end. The audio between these 2 points on the timeline can be adjusted for volume increase or decrease over the time frame, like so. Don't forget to hit the affiliate link in my bio to get access to the program, and make sure to drop a follow to get more tips and tricks on editing.